Let's Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you on Narendra's A to Z channel. Today I am present before you with a new and very important topic. This topic is very important for all those who are studying in a school and also who are doing preparation for a competitive exams just like UP Police, Railways, Lekpal, TT, Super TET and many more exams. This topic is always asked. So, without wasting any time, let's start this topic. Today's topic is fraction. Fraction. In Hindi, we call it भिन्न. This is very important topic. So, fraction. First we understand the concept of fraction. You know that the fraction, if we asked anything, suppose this is any circle. If we make 4 parts of this circle, first, second, third, fourth, and we said the first one part, we represent this part by the fraction 1 upon 4. It means 1 part out of 4. We read this 1 upon 4 means total parts of this circle are 4 and we said only 1 part of this circle. This part, this is known as fraction. For one more example, suppose we have this rectangle and we make its 2 part and we said only 1 part. We represent this part by a fraction 1 upon 2. Means here total number of parts and here are the shaded portion of the rectangle. So I hope you will understand the concept of fraction. Fraction also can be written as fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. We call this भिन्न. Numerator means अंश and denominator means हर. This is known as fraction. For example, four upon 5. Here 4 numerator and 5 denominator. अंश की बात करें, अंश 4 हो जाएगा और हर 5 हो जाएगा. This is the simple concept of fraction. Now, types of fraction. Fractions are mainly 3 types. First, the types of fraction. Fractions are mainly 3 types. First, simple fraction. Simple fraction. In Hindi, साधारण भिन्न. Decimal fraction. In Hindi, दशमलव भिन्न. Continuous fraction. सतत भिन्न. So we know the types of fractions. Fractions are mainly 3 types. सिंपल फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन एंड कॉन्टिन्यूअस फ्रैक्शन। इन हिंदी भिन्न 3 प्रकार की होती हैं, साधारण भिन्न, दशमलव भिन्न एंड सतत भिन्न। But today we discuss about the simple fraction. Simple fraction. Simple fraction again of 3 types. Proper fraction, in हिंदी उचित भिन्न, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, अनुचित भिन्न। एंड नेक्स्ट मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन। मिश्रित भिन्न। As we know, fractions are of 3 types: simple fraction, decimal fractions and continuous fraction. Now we discuss the simple fraction. Simple fraction again of 3 types: proper fraction means उचित भिन्न, improper fraction अनुचित भिन्न and mixed fraction means मिश्रित भिन्न। Proper fraction, the fraction which has numerator smaller than denominator means जिसका अंश छोटा है और हर बड़ा होता है, न्यूमरेटर छोटा है और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होता है, तो वो फ्रैक्शन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहलाती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5/7, 13/17 and many more. These are the examples of proper fraction. In proper fraction, the fraction which has numerator greater than the denominator, जिस फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से, यानी कि अंश अगर बड़ा है हर से, तो वो फ्रैक्शन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहलाएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7/3, 5/2 and many more. These are the fractions which has numerator greater than denominator. That's why this fraction is improper fraction. 5 is greater than 2. That's why this fraction is improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. The fraction which is written in the form of Q quotient upon वो फ्रैक्शन जो क्वोशेंट रिमाइंडर एंड डिवाइजर इस फॉर्म में लिखी होती है, वो इम्प्रॉपर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन कहलाती है। द फ्रैक्शन विच इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट, रिमाइंडर एंड डिवाइजर। हिंदी में कह सकते हैं कि जो भिन्न सही अंश और हर के रूप में अगर लिखी होती है तो वो फ्रैक्शन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन कहलाती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू कंप्लीट 5/7, 11 complete 3/4, that is, and many more, etc. 2 and 5, 7. 2 complete 5/7. These are the example of mixed fraction. We say, suppose for more understanding, we can if any fraction, we take an example of any fraction, suppose 35/6. We divide this 6 divided by 35, 6 5s are 35. We know that this is quotient and this is remainder and this is dividend and this is divisor. हिंदी में बता दूं, इसे शेषफल बोलते हैं। ये भागफल होता है, इसे भाज्य और ये भाजक। तो इस फ्रैक्शन को अगर हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे तो इसे लिख सकते हैं 5 कंप्लीट 5/6. This is a mixed fraction. One more example of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Seventeen upon 5. We can write this 5 3s are 15, 2/5. We divide this 5, 17, 5 3s are 15, 2. Now 3 whole 2/5. This is mixed fraction. I hope you may understand very well. One more type of fraction, like fraction. The fraction which have equal denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2/5, 3/5, 7/5. Here all three fractions which has equal denominator 5. That's why these all fractions known as like fractions. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस वो फ्रैक्शंस होती हैं जिनके हर बराबर होते हैं, अंश कुछ भी हो, हर बराबर है तो वो फ्रैक्शन लाइक फ्रैक्शन कहलाते हैं। Now, unlike fractions, the fractions which don't have equal denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 7/15, 3/4, 6/11, many examples. These are the fractions which haven't equal denominators. These are fractions known as unlike fraction. Unlike fractions वो fractions होती हैं जिनके डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल नहीं होते हैं, अर्थात अगर डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है तो वो लाइक फ्रैक्शन है, डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल नहीं है तो वो अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन है। One more type of fraction, equivalent fractions. Suppose we have the fraction 7/11. 7/11, this is the fraction. If we multiply and divide by the same number, then the obtained fraction is known as equivalent fraction. For example, suppose 7 multiply 3 and similarly 11 multiply 3, we get 21/33. 21/33 is equivalent 7/11. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन जो आपको दे रखी है उस फ्रैक्शन में किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, उसी नंबर से अगर हम डिवाइड कर दें, मीन्स न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को दोनों को सेम नंबर से अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो जो भी फ्रैक्शन हमें प्राप्त होती है वो फ्रैक्शन हमें इस फ्रैक्शन के इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन प्राप्त होती है। And now simplest fraction. Simplest fraction. Suppose we have 150/200. This is a fraction, a proper fraction, but this is not a simplest fraction. We simplify this fraction for 0, divide 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20. This become 3/4. This is the simplest form of the fraction. We know 150/200 is equal to 3/4. Both are equals, but this is not a simplest form and this is simplest form of 150/200. So guys, these are the basic concepts of fractions, and I hope you will like this topic and you will practice this topic and make a lot of knowledge by this topic, and I hope you must watch the second part of this topic for the applications, how we apply the applications and how we calculate the fractions. And once again I request to all of you, if you like my video then you must like my video and also tell me about your views in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you please subscribe my channel and share it for your friends so that everyone can get a knowledge by you and by watching my videos. Thanks a lot.